A long time ago, before humans had fire, the world was cold, dark, and unforgiving. People trembled through endless nights, their shadows swallowed by the blackness. Survival felt like a cruel game, one they were slowly losing. But one titan watched from above, Prometheus. Unlike the other gods, he didn't look down on humanity. He cared for them. And as he watched their suffering, his heart burned with defiance. Someone had to stand up for them, even if it meant angering the mighty Zeus himself. One fateful night, under a blanket of stars, Prometheus climbed to the heavens. Silent as the wind, he stole a single spark from the gods' sacred fire. Clutching it tightly, he descended to earth and placed it in the hands of humankind. For the first time, warmth spread across the land. Flames danced in the dark, pushing the cold away. People gathered, eyes wide with wonder, as they cooked, crafted, and built. The gift of fire lit up not only their homes, but their future. But far above, Zeus watched. The king of the gods seethed. Fire was divine, sacred, a power meant only for Olympus. Prometheus had crossed the line, his punishment eternal. Zeus ordered Prometheus to be chained to a desolate mountain, far from the world he had helped. And every day, as the sun rose, an eagle descended, tearing at him, a cruel reminder of his defiance. Yet Prometheus endured. Even as pain ravaged him, he stood by his choice. Because down below, humanity thrived. The flames he gave them could not be extinguished. His sacrifice became legend, whispered through generations, a reminder that true courage often comes with a price, but the rewards can change the world forever.